Well, if she doesn't, if she broke up with you, then she's obviously telling you that she wants to move on with her life. And if you still have feelings for her, you have to essentially let them go. Okay? And one of the best ways to do that is honestly stop doing stuff that just keeps reminding you of her. Stop basing all of your thoughts or a good chunk of your thoughts during the day on her and what she's doing and what she's feeling. You know, get rid of certain things that remind you of her, or at least put them away for a while. It could be an item, it could be a piece of anything. It could be a CD, a DVD, a piece of furniture, for crying out loud. Try to stay away from that for a while. All right. And what you then need to do is start working on yourself, working on building your self-esteem back up. You know, start growing as an individual. A good way to do that is create new hobbies. What are you passionate about? Start working on that, focusing on that. And as time goes on, you're not going to be so focused on her, and your feelings are not going to be so strong for her. And that's what you want, because you want to move on with your life.